Oh, here we go. And it's another test going on.
This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
To interrupt regular programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
And as usual, I'm joined by
Antonio, also known as Pittsburgh EAS.
And that's Sheets 132 once. And fuck, I forgot what I was gonna say. It's Sheets 130, and their computer wants to be the biggest dumbass in the world.
I know, mine does too, and it's always like that, so, yeah, so, I don't think there's anything much to say other than Kdka usually testing today, but, yeah, that's the only thing I wanted to say was, that we collabed yesterday.
Yeah, it was so much fun.
I think WAHC might have come tonight. I mean, what?
Yeah, I don't know what happened to them.
Well, well, my station did relay just a little late.
Oh, okay. That's why I was wondering. Because I thought they did a relay. I thought they did an earlier relay.
I mean, no, it was on time.
Yeah. But anyway, with that being said, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. There's nothing much else to say, so we'll see you next time. Peace.